Three-game win streak into its battle with slumping Iowa, and Robert Johnson had himself a game, Mike.
I think you can safely say that. Record 9 3-pointers for the Hoosiers. Absolutely on fire, getting the kick out from Colin Hartman. And then the swing pass, make that extra pass. They knew who was on fire today. They knew who had the hot hand. Right over Luka Garza's close. It was a really nice first half and game for Robert Johnson.
The career high, 29 for him. Jordan Bohannon hit just 2 of 10 behind the arc. That was one of the two. Pulls Iowa to within 7. Now down 5. Tyler Cook is a load. 28 and 10. Hawkeyes within 3. Final 3 minutes, a 1-point Indiana lead. That right there was the one that gave Robert Johnson the record with those 9 threes. 82-78 Hoosiers. Now Iowa down by 2. Bohannon, no. The rebound to Cook, no. And Indiana survives 84-82. Archie Miller singing Johnson's praises afterward.
He made some really big ones. He made a big one right in front of our bench to put us up 4. And then during that run in the second half, he made some good ones. We've been waiting for him to really kind of step up and kind of have one of these nights. But you got to give his teammates credit. This game really, to be honest with you, as crazy as it sounds, it came down to our offense. Our offense needed to be able to score today.
For some reason, we did not ever figure out that you can't stop short. When Robert Johnson's on fire, you can't stop short. You just can't. We just kept doing it. And it was extremely frustrating.